Mphumelelo Mseleku told Tirelo that if he marries her, she is going to stay in Muzumbe. Tirelo doesn't want to stay in Muzumbe because she knows that Mphumelelo doesn't want to stay in Muzumbe. And Mphumelelo, when he is in Durban or in Joburg, he is staying with another girls. That's why Tirelo doesn't want to stay in Muzumbe. The way Mphumelelo did to Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi was staying in Muzumbe with Mayeni. Mphumelelo was with Tirelo in Durban or in Joburg. That's why Tirelo doesn't want to stay in Muzumbe. So Musamseleku asked Tirelo on Izingane Sesitembu season 3 why you don't want to stay in Muzumbe, because Muzumbe is going to perish. Tirelo says if Mphumelelo agreed to stay in Muzumbe together the way Lwahle did to his girlfriend Kwesi, they are staying in Muzumbe together. Yes, she is going to stay in Muzumbe with Mphumelelo. That's why Tirelo, she doesn't want to stay in Muzumbe. And Tirelo, she have got many things to do in Durban, in Joburg. You know that Tirelo have got some of the breads to advertising what, and Mphumelelo want Tirelo to stay in Muzumbe in villages alone. It was not fair. Why Mphumelelo doesn't tell Amahle? Because Mphumelelo married to Amahle. Amahle is the first wife. She's supposed to stay in Muzumbe now. But Mphumelelo is telling Tirelo, I don't understand what's going on with Mphumelelo. Because if he decides to marry Amahle as the first wife, Amahle was supposed to stay in Muzumbe. And after Amahle, her duty to stay in Muzumbe ends, is Tirelo is going to stay in Muzumbe. That we know. Musamseleku's wives, all of them, we saw Macele was the first wife. She stays in Muzumbe and she shifted. And other wives, they stay in Muzumbe. We don't know Masaule, but Makhumalo Mangwabe and Mayeni, they stayed in Muzumbe. They shifted and go to stay in Durban. And now that's why Musamseleku want Makwela to stay in Muzumbe. He doesn't buy a house for Makwela in Durban. He wants Makwela to stay in Muzumbe. After staying in Muzumbe, he can shift here in town. Why Mphumelelo, he can do the same thing? Because now Amahle is the first wife. Amahle was supposed to stay as umakoti in Muzumbe. Uyakotiza in Muzumbe the way he is doing his tradition, because Mphumelelo, he decided to pay bride price to Amahle's family. So it means that Amahle is the first wife. Amahle was supposed to the first person to stay in Muzumbe. A second wife can't stay in Muzumbe. The first wife it doesn't stay in Muzumbe. It doesn't make any sense. So Mphumelelo, you have to think what he is supposed to do. Guys, the way Tirelo knows the game, because Tirelo, she was playing a game to Vuyokazi. Guys, imagine Vuyokazi was staying in Muzumbe with Mayeni. Mphumelelo had a girlfriend. Vuyokazi doesn't not know, because Mphumelelo told Vuyokazi that he is at work in Durban or in Joburg. But Makhumalo, she knows, because Makhumalo and Mphumelelo, they are staying in same flat. They are sharing some of the rooms. So Makhumalo knows about Tirelo and him and Mphumelelo, but Makhumalo didn't say anything because she doesn't want to be involved. That's why you see Mphumelelo surprised Vuyokazi at that day. He invited Vuyokazi in Durban, in Joburg, I don't know, and he invited her, and Vuyokazi saw Tirelo in the house. Tirelo told Vuyokazi that she is pregnant. Imagine, guys, Tirelo and Mphumelelo, they are staying in Durban as a husband and wife, and Vuyokazi, she was at village. You understand? Mphumelelo doesn't marry Vuyokazi, but Vuyokazi was at village and was staying with his mother. You understand? It looks like maybe he was using them. And now it's her turn. It's Tirelo's turn to stay in Muzumbe, because the way Mphumelelo did to Vuyokazi, and Tirelo, she knows that she is going to cry because of Mphumelelo. Is going to stay with another woman in Joburg or in Durban. You understand? But now it's better because Mayeni, she had a house in Durban. So that's why Tirelo, she doesn't want to stay in Musumbe. She knows that if she agrees, Mpumelelo is going to do something